About 2022. We have Henrikintie. Henriksvägen 5, staircase C. And we have filmed the staircase A here before.
You have, yeah.
I have filmed, but you haven't. But
Yeah.
yeah. So that's how we have because I'm talking about myself. Because in Swedish I also say like that.
Yeah.
But we have still the staircases B and D left to be filmed here later. This one has 7 floors. It's built in 1977 by Bamsteer. No, actually Kone originally. The number is H41184. Modernized in 2000 with those 2000 fixtures. And 7 floors. No, but actually this is still okay. I have to turn the lights.
But it just have windows, so it's needless.
But if you want to see when the doors open. Okay. The newest unit number is B1 is Y8774. Because these 4 persons are twin vacuums. But still this modernization also feels unnecessary.
Yeah.
Because they replaced the old interior.
Yeah.
Only after 23 years. This interior would have been 45 still, so
Yeah.
still too early, I think.
Yeah.
It's going to be inspected in 2024. Number 6 turned 20 years old in 2020. But 1 ride is enough here because I also don't think this is the best type of Otis 2000 mod.
Yeah.
Because there are better ones.
Yeah.
Like those without indoors, especially. Or with a better interior or windows. Because sometimes they put windows on the doors.
Yeah. Inspected by lift installed and maintained by Spanhis.
Like I think there should have been the solution where they would have had the folding unit doors with windows and have an original interior.
Yeah.
Never the original manual doors.
Yeah.
That's what they should have chosen.
Yeah.
And maybe also they could have been the green indicator.
Yeah.
Could have been also outside placed on it, not yeah? So that's it.
That's